Hey, Ann Hanovich here, and this is my tip for folding zines. I'm not saying it's the best way to fold zines, but considering we were doing mass amount of folding assembly line style, I'm calling this the most efficient way, but really it's the way to get a consistent quality where the folds are nice and sharp and the cover doesn't look mismatched. So let's go. For your zine, you need a 8.5 by 11 page layout. I'm sure there's lots of tutorials and videos on that. I'm just showing you how to fold it. Having something to score it with, or you can always use a thumbnail, and then a nice long pair of scissors are what you need. First step is I like to fold it lengthwise. A lot of people start out folding it short ways, which I think they call a hamburger. But this saves doing it this way first saves you a step. So I always do it this way first. You want to score every single fold so it looks nice and crisp. You open it back up, fold it short ways, and again you score it. And this is where it saves the steps. You already have it ready to cut. You don't have to unfold it, and you want to cut right along this fold that you've created. We use long scissors. Well, there you go. And we use long scissors, so you only have to do one cut, but I ended up having to do 2 cuts. You open back up and fold it lengthwise, so you have this little opening in the middle. Don't worry about that now. Find your cover, and you want to fold that in. You fold it into the design, not necessarily the fold. That we've learned makes it lay better. When you have the completed fold. And then you want to kind of make a double door. So here's where you just fold it in. You fold this panel in, same thing, fold, and it does get kind of lumpy and bumpy. Don't let that stress you out. Just make sure your folds are nice and crisp and that you line things up. So here's your kind of open door. I'm calling it like a double door. And this is the part that you might have to watch a couple times. So here's the middle opening up again, and what you do is you just kind of mash it together and so you have one of your centers and then your cover. You just fold in your cover. It's going to be kind of lumpy bumpy here, but when you fold it and flatten it and score it, it lays nice and flat, just like that.